Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on following and followers. Just click on it. Then you come to next step here. So then you go down. So then you come here to pre-follow with user here. Joanne Traits. Just click here on off. So that, like you say, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.